You think? Hopefully this is passing because usually this shit's associated.
Jesus.
Damn. Oh my god, look at that one over there. Yeah. That's almost the size of a freaking, where is it? Right there. That's almost the size of a baseball. I'm sure one of those are going to be fucking broke.
That big one right here.
Can't go out and do anything. Those things will knock you the hell out. So far the tent looks like it's okay. Well, the good thing about the solar panels is I think I got the warranty on everything that we buy. Oh, come on, go past already. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but holy shit. The window hasn't broke yet, that's a good thing. Look at him bouncing off the freaking camper, holy crap. We have no internet right now, so we can't really... Can't really tell if there's a tornado in the area.
Ow!
Look at the land on the ground. We're like 12 miles southeast of Monticello, Kentucky, and it is raining freaking anywhere from pea-size to like at least golf ball size hail. We had one that was up in there. It's still laying there, but it's not melting. It's right there. Everything was the size of a freaking baseball. We just got done putting our solar panels up. Good, it's knocking off all the leaves on the trees and shit. Stuff all over. Yeah, my freaking girlfriend's out there. I didn't have time to do anything. It just started coming down. I was working here at the solar station trying to get some stuff set up. And I heard something ping. I thought I hit something and went flying, but geez, all of a sudden it all come down. Probably shouldn't be standing next to the ladder. Well, there's nothing we can do, but Daisy's gonna try and get knocked out. Go ahead and catch one of them, dummy. Oh my god. The floor looks like it's dirty, but it's not. Outside where she's at, out there, it's dirty, but in here it's just wet. Close the door, so looks like mostly rain now.
It's okay.